So this was my idea, to take our old seats apart, but Dave has to do the screwing. I'll try the cutting for a small amount of time, make it look really easy, and Dave does it really quickly, but very messy.
Very messy.
You are very messy. I tried to do it methodical and you just came in with a knife and chopped everything off.
Really faster, efficient.
Let's see if it's efficient. Oh, you should have took those staples out.
I should have.
We should have took those staples out, but we just didn't.
There's a lot of staples. There's a lot of leftover bits of, what's it called? Rattan.
Rattan what? The material?
Yeah.
Plastic? Rattan plastic? Oh, we actually had a bed in the shed that we decided to use slats for, just to get it out of the shed really. Measuring it up. Measure once, cut twice. Oh, Dave bought me a jigsaw. Some girls like flowers, I like power tools. Dave measuring up. It's all TI, does it perfectly. Oh, we had to scrub the rust off.
Yeah, I mean, we could have done this a lot more methodically than we did, but
we didn't.
It's not necessarily.
We just didn't.
Yeah. It's not always a forever thing either.
We had to prime the wood. Prime the wood? Prime the
metal.
Prime the metal. There was a lot of crap in the back of the van. Don't think that's
contemplation. This is where we're trying to work out if it will fit. Where we put do we put the back on? Do we not put the back on?
Oh, back to spraying. Back to spraying the second. Oh no, this is the black coat.
Yes, black coat. Look at that finish. Just ignore the staples.
The staples.
They're not
6
there.
million
You don't
staples.
See them now. They're hidden by ply.
This is my drill that I stole off my stepdad. He still doesn't know that I've got it. He will now. Thanks, Nige. I think I told him I'd give it back actually.
I bought this drill, actually.
Dave bought me that drill for Valentine's Day.
Yeah, present. Then we had to countersink everything by hand, and we don't have a power screwdriver. Well, swapping the stuff in the drill would be like a nightmare and take ages, so lots of hand screwing.
It wasn't because we
Teamwork.
pilot drilled everything.
Yeah. Pilot drilled it, screwed it, nice and solid. The second one, this was just a flat piece of ply cut out template, much easier.
Ah, my jigsaw. Love that thing. It's actually got a little laser on it,
Yeah, it's got
so I can see in straight lines.
If you've got a shadow.
Yeah.
I do with the shadow most of the time. More teamwork, countersinking, getting the screws in.
You have to do the countersinking. I wasn't really strong enough for that.
Alpha.
Oh, this is paint that we had in the shed from our kitchen units. So that cost us absolutely nothing.
This whole thing cost us, I think, what did we buy?
I think we spent about £100 so far.
Oh, that was in the whole back of the van, but this specific, these
just some screws.
What was it?
And a drill bit.
Drill bit. It's about like £7.
To be fair, I'd attempted to, I had said that I was going to take this thing to the tip so many times, but we never got around to it. So my laziness has worked in our favour.
We attached the back of it, we had to drill some new holes, line it all up. And then we want to put a drawer underneath there. There'll be a drawer in the open spot and then there'll be a slide out drawer at the end. But we've never made furniture before, so I think fair play to us.
Yeah, well, I think we've done pretty well.
And now it's got flooring, so it looks much, much nicer.
Yeah. Floor video coming soon. These cushions could probably do with a little bit of updating.
Yeah, or
they're
we get some
quite
new
old.
cushions. These were just the ones that came with the furniture, fully upcycling. Again, the £10 camper seat budget. But if you look at buying campervan rear seats, it's very expensive. We will change that rear bed into a pull-out bed where it's got extra slats on it, and also into a pull-out bed, right?
Yeah. It would just make sense to optimise the space.
The dog nearly couldn't get in. This is the test. Can a dog get in? It's a very steep driveway. There
And
we go.
he's in.
Everyone fits.
Comfortable. Job done.
There you go.